This is a sugar glaze chrome finish, and it's one of the easiest nail art effects you can get at home. Most people use way too much chrome powder, and that's what causes patchiness. Let's fix that. Once you've completed your nail prep, base coat and optional builder gel, you're ready to add nail art. Tap the information icon in the top right to watch our full application tutorial and see these steps in detail. For this design, I've used regular base coat and clear builder gel. Apply 1 to 2 thin coats of Swan Lake. Cap the free edge and leave a small gap at the cuticles. Cure each coat for 60 seconds. Apply a thin coat of top coat and cap the free edge. Cure for 60 seconds. Wipe every nail with a pure acetone wipe for a smooth finish. Dip the chrome powder application sponge into the white glaze jar and pick up a small amount, less than you think you need. Make sure to avoid overloading your sponge. You can wipe it on the jar, a palette, or rub it on your hand first. This helps the chrome powder spread evenly onto the sponge. Correctly load the chrome powder and the buffing almost takes care of itself. Firmly rub the chrome powder into the nail using small circular motions, starting at the center and working outward. Keep going until the coverage is even and the finish is smooth. Add more chrome powder if needed, but remember to avoid overloading. The chisel side of the double-ended silicone tool or a clean fingertip work just as well if you prefer. The motion is the same. For the smoothest result, first dust away any excess chrome powder with the dust brush, then flip to the clean side of your application sponge and buff the nail again to press down any loose particles and remove excess shimmer. Lightly file the underside of the free edge at a 45-degree angle with a 180 grit nail file. This gives the top coat something to grip to at the free edge. Sweep away any remaining dust from the nail surface and surrounding skin. Dab a small amount of top coat onto a nail art palette. Don't apply straight from the bottle or chrome powder will get into the brush and contaminate it. Using a clean replacement brush or round nail art brush, apply 2 thin coats of top coat, capping the free edge each time. Cure each coat for 60 seconds. Wipe any chrome from the surrounding skin with a lint-free wipe moistened with gel nail polish remover or a pure acetone wipe. Then apply cuticle oil and work it into your cuticles. This is what makes the whole manicure look finished. That's your sugar glazed finish. Everything you need is available in the Sugar Glaze Polish and Chrome Pack, link in the description. Subscribe to keep up with our latest tutorials. See you next time!